This is Ms. Lambert, and I'm here to show you your World Geo Country project. So you can get to it from your assignment in Canvas. You can also go to readylibrary.com, which is where I'm going to go, and I'm going to click on World Geo Country Project. Link to your Mac and Via, or the link to the Mac and Via group is here. If you click on this link, you'll go straight to the Mac and Via group. This video helper will be linked here, embedded down here, and also available on in your Mac and Via group. So I'm going to click on the click here and open up the Mac and Via group. You'll notice it opens up into World Geo Country Project right there, and it says the name of the project right there. In your instructions, here is your assignment sheet, which is right here and has all of the information for this project on the assignment sheet. Also, you have your MLA works cited template. This is so you can make a works cited sheet that you can keep all of your citations on as part of this grade. So I'm going to click the use template, and it is going to make a copy of this works cited page. So now this works cited page is mine. This is just an example citation up here that you can take out after you start putting your citations in, but I'm just going to leave that there for a second. This video helper is also going to be embedded or linked right here, and then you'll notice there's also a link to the Mac and Via group, and a link to that works cited template is right there on your assignment page, which you can access directly from Canvas. So all of the same things, just in multiple places for your information. Now, I'm going to be really honest with you. I'm not entirely sure what all of these things are that your teachers want you to put in your project. So just know when they go over this with you, make sure that you understand where to get the political map, where to get the physical map, where to insert a large scale map, where to get those, where to get your climate zones, because they're going to be able to tell you all of that specifically, whereas I'm just going to kind of go over generally where to get stuff and how to cite it from Mac and Via. All right, so your teachers are going to talk about this climate graph website right here. And so they are going to show you this website with more information here, as I'm not totally sure how to use this site. But I will tell you that when you get to the map that you need, you are going to click on this little Cite This For Me extension that should be in your extension bar in your Google Chrome browser, and I'm just going to grab that citation, and then I'm just going to paste it over here right there, and you'll notice that it pastes in absolutely correct. And so once you get that citation in there, you're good to go there. Okay. Same thing with this National Geographic one. Your teachers are going to kind of talk about this tool, because again, I don't really know a lot about this tool. Oh, sorry. But I'm going to click on the Cite This For Me. And once I get to the part of this website that I need, and again, I'm just going to put this in my works cited. Basically, you are just coming in here and you are saying, you know, I use this resource, and I just want to, you know, show that what resource I use. And so you're just citing your sources. That's all you're doing. Your teacher did make a video right here, so I just want to point this out, that this video right here shows you how to use the National Geographic map. So that video is here to help you with this resource right here. Okay. Culturegrams is one of the places where you're going to be able to get information about your country. So I'm going to click on the World Edition there. And then if you know what continent your country is in, you can click on the continent there if you're doing a real country. So I'm just going to pretend that my country is Brazil. I'm going to click on Brazil. Once I'm in here, any information that I want to get from this site, like let's say I want some information from land and climate. If I click right here and then click this MLA, it is going to generate the MLA citation that I need for my works cited page. So I can just grab that and then come over here and paste it into my works cited page. Okay, so super easy to get your, to get your works cited from Culturegrams. So that was Culturegrams. And then I'm also just going to show you Britannica School real fast. Let's say you need some basic information about your country from Britannica School. So I'm going to come in here and I'm just going to type in my country again. And then once I get here, I am going to, oh, this looks different. Let's see, Brazil. So I'm going to click on Brazil. Sorry, I got distracted there for a second. And I'm going to click on this cite button right here, and then I'm going to make sure it's MLA, and then I'm just going to grab this citation right here. And again, I'm just coming over here, and I'm doing Control-Shift-V, and I'm just pasting those citations in here for the different resources that I'm using. So let's do ABC Clio. So I'm in ABC Clio. World Geography. I'm going to type in my country. And I'm going to click on Brazil. And then again, I'm just going to come up here to my cite button, and I'm going to grab the MLA citation, which is right here, copy, and paste into my works cited page. So any of these sources that you use, and you may not use all of them, you may only use, 2 or 3 of them, and that is totally fine. You do not have to use all of them. I'm just giving you some information about how to use them. Oh, I do want to talk to you really quickly about culturegrams, because whenever you whenever you're on a country, you get different maps for that country. See right here where it says select a map? If I click on outline, it'll give me an outline map of my country. If I click on simple, it'll give me a simple map of my country. So you see by clicking on these different maps, I'm getting the different types of maps of my country, and then I can save those and upload them into my Google Drive and use them in my project if I need to. But all those different maps are right here, okay? So I did forget to show you that. I need to show you that. And then a couple of the resources that you can use for your project as far as like creating your project, I just put those in here. So this is the Google My Maps, and then this is Google Earth. So those resources are linked in here just for easy access for you. I will show you over here on your choice board. This is where your choices are for how to present your project. You can choose from these different things. So some of these have the first link is the link to that site, and then the second one is like a set of instructions as far as like how to use this or how to create this type of project. So you'll see this project here has the instructions listed here, and those are there. So a couple of these like Google Earth and Google My Maps, I went ahead and I had those in Mac and VS, so I went ahead and put them in this group for you. But just know that you have other choices beyond what's there. Everything that's on this choice board is stuff that you can use for the project. So when you're done with your works cited page, all you're going to do is you can link this. So you're going to click on that share button, and it's going to say restricted, change. So you are going to change this. I would change it to anyone with a link, but you can leave it for Frisco ISD if you want. But anyone with the link just ensures that no matter where you put this link, your teacher will be able to see it. So just make sure that you change the sharing settings on it, and then you can link this page if you do a Google Earth or a Google My Maps or one of the other types of presentations. You can just link this Google Doc then directly to your project. You could also, take out this example one here, and then you could also just copy and paste this and put it, like if you're doing a Google slide or a Google site, you can just copy and paste this information onto those projects. Or again, you could just link this page even if you wanted to, just link the page, put works cited and link the page. So that's an option. As always, Lions, if you have any issues with any of the sources here that I showed you today, please let me know. I'm happy to help. I just want to be here to help you and support you in this project. So good luck, Lions, and let me know if you need any help.